What is going on, Solo family? It is your boy Solo E, and today I have a special guest in the building. The CEO of Tradelocker, Owen, is in the building. Owen, what is going on, brother? How you doing and how you feeling today?
Very good, as always. How are you?
I'm doing good once again. Can't be mad, can't complain, blessed, blessed. A lot of my students and traders and everything is asking me, hey, what is this Tradelocker? What is this? What is this? This is a new platform. Is this something that's going to take over? Such and such. So, my very first question I want to ask you is, what made you start Tradelocker?
Well, we heard last September that there was going to be a lot of potential disruption in the prop firm space, in the broker space, just to do with with a number of things. Maybe some geopolitical events caused some downtime of certain apps, which I'm sure you're aware of. You know, apps getting taken off the app store and stuff like that. We felt that those businesses were losing the peace of mind of business continuity. So we felt we needed to put a product in the market that couldn't be touched by these type of things, and it could be another offering for business. If you lose an app, like a lot of people did, they lost MT's app. They had to create workarounds, quickly develop web interfaces, all these different things. And a lot of our customers and a lot of people in the forex space were saying, is there another platform? And obviously there is a C-Trade, Match to Trade, and other ones like that. But there was probably no, let's say, app that we knew that our users would like to enjoy. Yeah. And we felt that there was going to be a bit of a gap. So we set about creating a product that matched the two things that traders love, which is obviously TradingView and the execution of their broker or prop firm, So we pair them together in one nice user experience.
That's fire. And that actually kind of goes to my next question I wanted to ask. What is the difference between Tradelocker and any other like platform that see trader MT5 or MT4 Metatrop quotes or whatever?
Yeah, we have a couple of thoughts on this. So, we're not saying that we're the direct competitor of any of those platforms, but we are offering something slightly different. So a lot of these companies that we like, C-Trader, Meta, Match to Trade, they've sort of been building a business for the last 10, 15 years, and they've got to a point where they've, I would say, not stagnated, but definitely finished their innovation mindset. They're big companies, something happens, it takes an app down, something else happens, it takes businesses down. With the company like Tradelocker, like, we're new, but we're backed by, like, I'm in the business nearly 12 years now, and we always make new innovative product. So the goal for us is to only start where all of these other companies have been sort of hanging around for the last 2 to 3 years and more. So, like, we want to make innovative products. We want to make cool features. We want to make it interesting. We want to make it social. We want to make it community, and we're making it for traders. And we want to do things that people, don't think is possible. Cool feature which is coming, which is, it's made for you. Pretty much, it's actually made for you in mind. I sent you it the other day on Instagram.
Fire.
Yeah. So, like, no one's thinking like this. You can be live trading like you do on YouTube, and the actual cursor and the actual activities, the chart, the timing, all your markups will pump directly to the screens of all of your readership, your listenership. Like, this isn't done, but we're doing these different things. So that's what we're like to say we're next gen, because we are.
Yeah, I can't even think of any other platform that's on that level right there. Literally, that's crazy. I know that one big thing that a lot of traders want to know is, can they use their phone with the Tradelocker?
Yeah. So right now, I'm the first one to have Tradelocker on my mobile phone. So if you can see there, down at the bottom, you got Tradelocker.
Nice.
It's right there beside Crypto Panic and Funder Pro. Oh, and our exchange, Zeppeli. I don't know if you can see that. Those four
right
apps.
there. Yeah.
So Tradelocker is there. I've tested it. As we're speaking, I got a white screen. That ain't good. But it's there. It's working. You can test it if you give me your Apple ID after. I'll send you a demo of it. Okay.
Yeah, definitely love that.
But 1st of June, we should have the apps out on Google Play and for iOS.
Nice.
We're also doing something cool. I know people are all about phone, which is great. And I, from my trades, I like, seeing obviously on the phone, real time, get in and out. But I think, the desktop experience is obviously a huge focus for us, because you really should be, doing your charting, doing your trade, thoughts, your ideation should be on desktop, and then you can execute on mobile phone if you want. But we're also going to do like downloads executables for Mac and for Windows as well. So this is all coming within June. The
Oh,
iOS
so
and the Play, yeah.
nice. I know you were saying something about mobile app, but you're really like you're gonna have the app obviously for Androids and Apple, but main focus is definitely desktop. And it's kind of funny that you say that, because I even tell my students, like, for whatever reason, I cannot trade for shit on my actual phone.
Yeah, it is harder. It is harder. Think about it. You're trying to put a whole global market on your telephone.
Yeah.
It's not
Nah,
feasible. But your connectivity is there, which is fine. So we will have it, and it's going to be just as usable as desktop. It's
that's
going to have
fire.
all those cool features as well. Like you can go mobile trade live, and it'll pop up. For example, you hit go live as if like you're going live on Instagram or YouTube,
Uh-huh.
and it will pipe to the users so that they go, hey, yeah, let's watch yours. So they're on their way home commuting. They can just watch solo trade.
Hold on, you might have to say that one more time, because that's shocking to me. So you saying I can use my mobile app to go live on the app,
Yeah, yes,
and
absolutely.
literally everyone can just see my screen, and I don't even need to do anything else. Just hit that
No,
live button.
yeah, they will just see where you're at, marking up and
Wow.
stuff like that, and they'll see that on screen. We're hoping to really evolve it so that we create that proper social trading aspect, which no one's doing, right? Social trading, copy, follow, la la la. That's fine. That's Web 2 compared to this. What we're about to do is when you do a trade, we can give you a setting to say take solos trades. So that means as you trade, your
What?
users can take them.
Guys, I don't think y'all really listening to what Mr. Owen is saying here. Like, the fact that he has the idea and the resources to get that done, and is going to get that done. That's revolutionary right there.
Yeah, our devs are watching right now. I'm calling
Right.
this my mega feature, and they're probably like this. What? Which yeah, it's happening. It's happening.
Crazy, crazy, crazy. Wow, I like that a lot. And that kind of goes into my next question. I know you just mentioned Funded Pro, but I wanted to ask this one. How can someone actually get into the platform? Like, what is exactly they need to do?
Yeah, so we're connected to a lot of brands right now, and obviously there's a key focus on prop firms. Prop firms are having let's say a difficult time getting sort of their own let's say trading platform. So what we're doing is like we connected with Funnel Pro. This is the first ever prop firm to have it, and soon there will be more. But if you go to funnelpro.com using Mr. Solo's link, please, uh, you'll be able to just go in there, click Tradelocker on the purchase screen, choose your account, and then just go with it. And Funnel Pro will send you the account email, the password, and everything like that, and then you can just start trading. And you can trade just like you're trading. It's the exact same user interface. It's all there. And yeah, that's the quickest way to do it. And what's cool, and you can announce to your audience as well. Next week we're going to have our very first free trial on Funder Pro. So you can use
Nice,
your Tradelocker for your free trial if you want, and get an
nice.
experience for free with Tradelocker. And since we're making announcements, Funder Pro will also have cards next week, credit cards, so that you can actually pay with
Whoa.
cards, not just crypto.
So now, oh, okay. So they can just go full on debit, credit card, and boom, boom, boom,
Yep.
boom. Don't have to worry about it. So you guys, for those that had asked me literally a couple of days ago, how can you purchase your challenge with crypto? Just know moving forward, it would be 20 times simplified. You can just use your debit credit card, and then boom, you'll be all set. That's
Yeah.
perfect. That's perfect. Well, I think I want to ask you just this one question. And this question is, what do you feel like, and it might be hard for you being the CEO, but what do you feel like the top five, let's say like the top five options that you have with Tradelocker that a trader would probably love the most?
Yeah. Okay. So I think it's probably going to be easy to say the top five because they're probably the things that they really want.
Yeah.
So like the trading stop loss that's coming in the next 2 weeks.
That's big.
What else? Oh yeah, so actual on chart trading. So we've broken it down into 3 features. And by the way, everybody can go to tradelocker.com/roadmap, and you'll see all of the features that are be coming out throughout May and throughout June. And then at the end of June, we have obviously future features as well, which we're going under the next gen. So trailing stop loss, the full completion of on-chart trading, which means like obviously you can just drag and drop. You can just literally pull an order on screen like you do on TradingView. All these things are coming. What else? I'm just gonna go to the roadmap.
List.
Yeah. So
guys, by the way, guys, I will link the roadmap in the description so you guys can see it as well, and I'll probably have it pop up in here while we're actually talking about it.
So one thing just to add to the list that I really enjoy, this idea of jet mode. So if you're getting on a plane and you're about to obviously get out of your data, and you're not on a plane that has Wi-Fi, I know like for example for me, the plane doesn't have Wi-Fi, so you can't really trade, you can't do anything. But what we're going to do is, the way you have your favorite pairs. So those favorite pairs will save back data maybe 30-60 days, so that you can actually go back and just sort of mark up some thoughts, some ideation, this type of thing. So I think that's really cool.
That's nice.
And then the mode that I said there, the social mode, so you can go live. Other than that, I think light theme, dark theme, these different things are pretty cool to have.
Wow, that's really cool, man. Like I said,
that's fine.
Yeah, like I said, guys, you literally see this the image and everything, PDF and all that scrolling as we're talking about it. But yes, there's a lot with Tradelocker, and once again, man, I really appreciate you for taking the time to be a part of the channel and talking over the wonders that Tradelocker has and will be doing later down the road for sure, man.
Yeah, we if I can just put one more thing into the mix. You mentioned indicators earlier on. I failed to answer properly, but I did want to say, like, if you go to tradelocker.com/labs, and what we got going on there is that we've put a fund $1 million. And let me just confirm it's correct. And if you're a writer of scripts for, or indicators or EAs, or for example, me, I wrote my own TradingView script in Pine script to call out some trades for me. And you can get paid by Tradelocker to rewrite those for our proprietary language. So we're calling anybody that wrote something. If you've written a script, we have this really good guy, Bishop FX. He's in our Discord. He's wrote a nice script. I'm actually using it. It's really cool, called Bishop's RSI. We would love for him to come and be a part of be a part of the labs project and then get paid for that. And so if you know anybody, send them our way. We're looking for people to do it. And
for sure,
the evolution of it is that it's going to be an actual marketplace. So the idea is, Tradelocker is a great place, and we have people like you promoting it and working with us, and it's fantastic. But let's say, for example, someone has an indicator and they want to charge $5.99 for it. They should be allowed, and they should be able to do it all through Tradelocker. So it's going to be a fully fledged marketplace for these types of things as well.
Wow. So you guys here, if anyone here is a coder, definitely make sure you check that link down below and get tuned in. And you guys also make sure you join the Discord, Tradelocker Discord as well. There's a lot of information that's on there, and you guys will get updated pretty much right when they post it, so definitely check out the Discord, check out everything else that's tapped in down there. I know there's a lot of information, but promise you guys, you definitely want to be tuned into this next gen right here. So that's for sure.
And follow the Instagram for Tradelocker. We're giving away a few hats next week. So
nice. Once again, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching this. Once again, Owen, I appreciate you for tuning in. And other than that, guys, I will see everybody in my next video. Everybody have a great day. Peace.